Viewers and subscriber, so I really Romeich, the manager, the CEO of major marketing, him really do something like this. No, then Jamaica really gone out of control. Before me even narrate or go on no further, people don't watch that clip here, listen to it, Father Epic, big up yourself. Me get this from your page. Me just see it, me not even go source it anywhere else. Or no listen and then we talk about that video here, people.
Jesus Christ, done. The man I go back to TJ. What TJ was done, no. Rebel stop him. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Angela Licina. Why Angela be here so man? Why him I go do that? Oh God, Angela will go back some TJ. No, Jesus Christ, Angela not. Angela beat up TJ. Robinson, Angela beat up TJ. Watch out the box. Get the box. Maya done. Maya. Angela beat up TJ. Angela beat up TJ. Maya, watch out. Angela beat up TJ. Robinson, Angela beat up TJ. What's the police? What's the police? Angela. Nicky Krumas, TJ get beat up. Yeah, they beat up TJ. Imam Maya there. TJ done. TJ, stop. Easy. Come TJ. TJ.
Tell me something. How really are going to Jamaica? Police unseen, and man just a act brawling, man just a do what they feel like, no respect for nobody, nothing at all. Romeich, Mashmouth, big sissy, I don't even want to say nothing, you know. Romeich, from what they name just a call up in a bunch and mix up him and every girl, him and every boy, him and every girl. Now Romeich want to come take a stance and him look one of the weakest link. Why Romeich never diss? One of the big man, them when that diss him, somebody we know have backative for defend them. He go lick down TJ. TJ know we are out with him woman. TJ never even have a brethren. The Andre youth they need for God down. Them youth they will deal with TJ need for God down. Jamaica turn a big bully country, a place where bully can just do as they feel like, take out their phone and do what they want, and everybody just kick haha. And videos and things like these make it picnic them a go around. I do what them I do and feel so comfortably comfortable to record and put out these things because the kids them are imitate what we are do. Look upon the society where we live in a Romeich, a smart way if you try to keep him name clean, if you try to keep him image, him, everything about him clean. He's a businessman. Nobody know if he want to do business with Romeich after this. And what we are on mafia in Jamaica, where him do show him power, you go back down the boy. Then that's how we know say enough of them PUSSY a push button them. Enough of them boy a press button and a likes them a do it. Call this Andre youth. You know no vibes with the youth, you know nothing for youth, but you have such anger if you go carry out the act of the request of another bitch man. Come on, let's be honest, people. Anyways, me not gonna rant off. Here's Swissley views and take on the thing, and guys, subscribe, press the like button, share phone views down in the comments below, alright?
Come back up page get banned. Yeah, bro, me tell Romeich say him wrong. Verbal tell Romeich say him wrong. Me tell Romeich say him wrong, bro. I was there. Bro, the people them not telling you what happened, bro. The people in a match come back up page get banned. My dog when me talk to. And told them I'm there. I text the dog and say, bro, you're wrong. You see me? And the dog say, he dog accept him wrong. And I say, bro, you need to start it out with them, bro, because I fuck with that. You see me? Yeah, bro. That's all me can say, bro. Me never did it, bro. That's all me can say. I see him scream record, me see what I see. See him scream record, bro. What wanna see me see, bro? All them are going to deal with it. I don't know how Romeich are going to deal with it. I don't know how TJ are going to deal with it. But stop say TikTokers them. Stop say like the TikToker them set up the man. The TikToker them a pussy. What the TikToker them have to do with it? That what me I ask you, bro. What the TikToker them have to do with it, bro? Stop blame the man them, bro. Stop blame the TikToker them, bro.